Hi, I'm going to show you today how to make a sweet potato for Thanksgiving with crushed pineapple, cinnamon, and it's really, really good. You're going to love it. Something new. Let's do it. I boiled some sweet potato. I peeled the potatoes. I cut them chunks. It's soft enough. I'm gonna rinse the water. Get the water out.
How long did you boil it?
I boiled it to soft, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Try to get all the water out. Okay. I'm gonna smash the sweet potato. Don't be afraid. I know, with 1 stick of margarine, I know it's too much. I have a lot of potatoes here. About 5 medium size of potatoes, sweet potato. Okay, let's reduce a little bit. Okay. You can use, because I need on top too, so I took about 2 tablespoons out. When it's hot, you smash the the margarine. You can use butter, but I like to use the margarine. Smash it up. It has to be hot. One tablespoon of cinnamon. You don't like cinnamon? Too bad. Don't make it. It brings the whole good flavor, the cinnamon. Two to 3 teaspoons brown sugar. I'll put 3. It has to be sweet, but not too sweet. But the pineapple that I'm going to add, it's sweet too, so you don't need too much brown sugar. I smell the cinnamon. Yummy. I do it every year for Thanksgiving. Everybody love it. Good enough, smashed enough. We use the cinnamon, brown sugar, margarine. Just I left 2 tablespoons to put on top, you'll see. And the crushed pineapple. Don't drain it. All of it. Just like that. It makes the whole yummy taste. Pyrex deep dish with a cover. It has to be the cover. Set up the oven 360. Grease a little bit on the side. It has to be a deep dish. Fits exactly. Perfect. One tablespoon of brown sugar. Just put on your hands. One teaspoon or more or less of cinnamon. And the 2 tablespoon margarine that I have here, just cut it small pieces like that. Or butter if you want to use. That's enough. Cover to the oven 360, 45 to 50 minutes. We'll show you later how does it look like. Sweet potato is ready. Hot, hot, hot. It took 1 hour to bake it at 360. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Smell the cinnamon. Very good. You're gonna love it. Serve it to your family, to your kids for Thanksgiving, and yummy, yummy. Good luck to you, and thank you for watching. See you next time.